Hello everyone, I'm Germain Adell. I work as Deputy Director of NOBATEK NF4, which is the French National Institute for the Energy and Environmental Transition in Building. And after this great preceding presentation, I will change a little bit subject, but at the end of the day, you know, everyone is here for the same reason. So now I will present Metabuilding LABS, which is an Horizon 2020 project I am coordinating, and it's not a digital twin project. I'm sorry about that. It's more an innovation project, and why we are doing this. Because I don't know if you knew that the construction sector is not the last one, but one of the least innovating sector in industry. You know which is the least innovating sector in industry? Only the one that is really worse than the construction sector, what is fishery and agriculture. So, and then comes construction. So we have to change that, I think. And that's why we are trying to work at ECTP also in order to improve this. So Metabuilding LABS is a very big project. It's an open innovation testbed project. I don't know if you heard about that, but this is an initiative from the European Commission that has been implemented in several industrial sectors. So the idea is to create together networks of testing facilities in order to facilitate and ease the access of SMEs, of all the actors in different industrial sectors to testing facilities, because they consider that this is a barrier to innovation. So Metabuilding LABS is one of 3 open innovation testbeds in Europe. So these are the basic data in the project. I would like just to stress that we have 40 partners. Well, this is a lot. This is 17 million euros project, and from 40 partners, we have more than 20 at the ECTP. We are ECTP members. So Jesus previously made a speech about ECTP, and I can just say that we are working very with a lot of commitment in different committees at the ECTP. I am part of the steering committee too, and so this initiative is part of that. So Metabuilding LABS, as I explained before, we have to provide technical support in order to develop and put easy access to testing in order to create, to innovate for the next generation of building. So SMEs, we have to access to ease the access to that. And so here you are seeing part of the testing facilities that we have. We have more than 100 testing facilities around across 12 countries in Europe. So this is very important. So we have laboratories, of course, we have test benches, we will be having pilot buildings with a dedicated, and this is another innovation we are having, is a dynamic database of building owners that can put at disposal of innovators their ongoing renovation in order to this building become pilot buildings. And so we are working in this country that you see there. This is the consortium. So as I said before, 40 partners, but I would like to stress that we have a lot of RTOs. This is a project that is driven by RTOs. So the RTOs are research and technology organizations. So technology centers, and we have a lot of very big national technology centers in the consortium that are bringing their facilities. We also have, other kind of partners. We have impulse partners, and they are doing more or less the same, like they call it from venture capital initiative. They are doing more or less the same, and this is part of the ecosystem. In fact, we are building an ecosystem in Europe. We started, in fact, with two projects, but Metabuilding, which is one previous project at Metabuilding LABS, with 6 target countries, and then we add Metabuilding LABS, 7 other countries. So this is the ecosystem. The ecosystem is 2 projects that are different, but are complementary all around ECTP, because ECTP is member of the initiative, is partner of both projects. We are going to create an association in Brussels, a Metabuilding association, in order to manage this network of facilities and to perform brokerage activities. So the idea is that Metabuilding will act as a broker of different demands for testing or innovation service, and so this will be the possibility, will give us the possibility to have our own business and survive, let's say, after the end of the project, of course. And this will be channeled via the Metabuilding.com platform, which is the first, to my knowledge, digital open innovation platform dedicated to the construction sector in Europe. This is just a note on Metabuilding project that provides funding to SMEs, direct fund support to SMEs on innovation challenges. So this is the project where we started building the Metabuilding platform, and then this platform will be handed to Metabuilding LABS. And Metabuilding.com is created in Metabuilding, handled in Metabuilding Lab, virtual single entry point, so you don't have to really search where I do my testing, or how can I do it, whatever. You enter a single entry point, either physically or either via the platform, and then you have all your answers and you are directed to the right place and the right service provider in order to help you innovate. The Metabuilding platform has, we consider it as a backbone of the innovation ecosystem for the construction sector in Europe. This is a bold statement, I know, but we are very ambitious. And so we will be having different modules. And one of the modules, so we have access innovation funding, which are very similar. And so we hope that the platform will bring opportunities for funding, either public, either private, venture capital. Normally, people should be having and finding everything they need in this platform. This platform will be for free access for everyone. So the idea of this multi-sided platform is that transforming de facto platform for all the construction sector stakeholders. They'll find innovative technologies, matchmaking modules in order to find partners to innovate, to scale up technologies. So these are functionalities of the platform. And one of the functionalities will be test your innovation. And this opens the world to the services of Metabuilding Lab. We will also be having a cluster management module. So in order to, and this could be of interest, for instance, for communities like this one, the BDTA and all this ecosystem, because the platform will allow to really target users, target users and form little clusters inside the platform and manage members. And this could be perhaps of interest. We have 100 testing facilities, but we are proposing a new model of a new innovative test bench, which is called the O3 bench, open source, open data, and open access building envelope test bench. And this is in order for you to understand, like little cubics. You know, my colleague from Technalia that presented cubic, but this is, it's like cubic is like a Rolls Royce of test benches. This is like a Fiat Topolino. No, really. The idea is to have a really an easy access and cheap. And we will have 9 like this in different countries in Europe. So we will have the physical test bench and then the digital twin of the facility, and they will be networked So we will be able to have in different countries, different climate zone, the same facility in order to really make it work and propose solutions, and hopefully, so this is complementary. I'm not saying that this will replace Cubic, but another level. And with this, I'm finishing. I explained we are 13 countries. We will be expanding the ecosystem. This is not a closed ecosystem, it's open. So we are happy to discuss with any country representative or from any country, European country that is not covered, because and also there might be some specific funding and European codes that can be adapted to the idea of bringing value to the ecosystem and bringing new members. And we will be very soon launching up the sign-up campaign for the platform. We are working on it. The platform should be really an interesting feature. We are using it for the call for SMEs, but not at big scale. So we are waiting to have a very nice and feature-packed platform very soon. So we will be informed at the right time, and hope you join us. Thank you very much.